Hello play and nursery class. Be attentive please. Now we about to start our work. Okay, look at the board. Okay, now tell me. How many balls are there? 1, 2, 3. How many balls are there? 1, 2, 3. Very good. And how many stars? Count it. 1, 2, 3. How many stars are there? 1, 2, 3. Very good. And now tell me, how many candles are there? 1, 2, 3. How many candles are there? 1, 2, 3. Very good. Okay, again tell me, how many balls are there? 1, 2, 3. And how many stars are there? 1, 2, 3. Okay, count the candles again. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Okay बच्चों, now look at the board. How to write 3? Okay, count again. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Circle to the right. Straight on line. Circle once more. You have done fine. Once again. Circle to the right. Straight on line. Circle once more. You have done fine. Once again. How many candles are there? 1, 2, 3. Circle to the right. Straight on line. Circle once more. You have done fine. Very good. Okay बच्चों, now open your math books. Okay, on the page number 4, look at here. Oh, look, 3 is there. Okay, count the hot balloons. What's this? Hot balloons. Okay, count it. 1, 2, 3. 3 hot balloons. 3 hot balloons. 3 hot balloons. What are the spelling of 3? T-H-R-E-E. 3. What are the spelling of 3? T-H-R-E-E. 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. 3 hot balloons. Okay. Now look at here. Circle the number 3. यहाँ पे हमने देखना है कि 3 कहाँ पे लिखा है. ये क्या है? 1. अच्छा, ये 3 है? नहीं. ये 3 है? नो. ये 3 है? नहीं. कहाँ पे लिखा है 3? यहाँ. तो हम किसको सर्कल करेंगे? 3 को. कितने हॉट बलून्स हैं? 3. तो हमने किसको सर्कल करना है? 3 को. और कहाँ लिखा है सर्कल? ये नहीं. ये वाला 3 है? नहीं, ये तो 1 है. ये 3 है, तो हमने किसको सर्कल करना है? 3 को. वेरी गुड. ओके, वी हैव डन आवर वर्क. वेरी गुड. ओके नर्सरी क्लास, आप लोग भी अपनी बुक्स खोलें. मैथ की पेज नंबर 7. पेज नंबर 7 पे आप लोग अपनी बुक्स खोलें. ओह, ये देखें 3. ये कितने बनानास हैं? 1, 2, 3. 3 बनानास. How many bananas? Count. 1, 2, 3. How many bananas are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 bananas. 3 bananas. 3 bananas. And what are the spelling of 3? T-H-R-E-E. 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. 3 bananas. 3 bananas. 3 bananas. What are the spelling? T-H-R-E-E. 3. Very good.